Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is all about quick and easy cheesy omelette sandwich. Firstly, let me quickly run through the ingredients for you guys. Take 4 eggs, 4 bread slices with or without cutting sides, 2 small onions, 2 green chilies, coriander leaves 2 teaspoons, salt to taste, chili powder half teaspoon, butter, mozzarella cheese half cup, piri masala as per taste. In a bowl, take 4 eggs, add salt and whisk well. Add finely chopped onions and green chilies. Add half teaspoon chili powder. Mix it until well combined. Add in 2 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. Whisk it again. Now take a pan and spread the butter well. Pour in the half egg mixture and spread it evenly. Place the bread slices on the mixture. Soak and flip the bread slices. Now sprinkle some piri masala on the bread slices. Let the omelette cook evenly and fold the sides of the omelette on the bread slices as shown in the video. Now quickly spread generous amount of mozzarella cheese on one bread slice and flap the other side of the bread. Cook on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat by pressing the bread slices gently. And cut the bread slices into 2 halves using knife or pizza cutter. And ta-da! The yummy cheesy omelette sandwich is ready. Do hit like and subscribe button if you have liked this video. Do try this recipe and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.